Oh, who's pooped? What are you doing to your little sister, Max? Oh, Zoe's got her panties in a bunch. Get her, Max. Oh, what you smelling, Max? Hoo-hoo. Get her, Max. Zoe, what's your brother doing to you? What are you doing, Max? Zoe. Oh, and she's back. Oh, Zoe, that's not nice. Be nice to your brother. Get her, Max. Jake, what are you doing? And we're out. Get her, Max. Oh, get him, Jake. Who's that in the yard? Who's that? Who is it, Joey? Who is it? Who is it, Max? Go get him. Go get him. Get him, Max. Jake, who is that, Jake? Get him, Max. Go get him. Oh, my watchful bulldogs. Love you, bye.